Hey everybody, it's Tronadak and I'm back with another video. Today we're eating McDonald's per usual. Alright, and today we're trying the I almost forgot what it was. It's the quarter pounder. Oh, it's the jalapeno. It's the jalapeno quarter pounder. Oh, look at this. What? So we can get a pick in. And it has jalapenos, cheese, bacon, and one thick quarter pounder meat. We finna see how this go. Let's see. I'm excited. It has 2 patties. I'm shaking right now. This is my first meal. It's 11:14. It's my first meal of the day. I'm just watching people pass. I'm getting fat. I'm 140. I had went to go check. I'm 140 and I'm like 4'12", like 5 foot even. But it's okay. McDonald's be worth it. You know what? You remember when you were growing up and your mom and dad was just like, oh my God, you need to drink your juice, drink your drink after you eat? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You got juice. You got juice dripping. I haven't been on YouTube in a while, y'all. I apologize for that. I just been working. So yeah, I can see. Yeah. It's fresh. It's hot. I'm finna work. Don't y'all hate when you tired, but it's just like, no, because I'm grown and I got stuff to do. A jalapeno fell. I ain't had no nachos in a while. Ooh. Like, do y'all see? I was reading up on some stuff. Y'all know Kai, the Twitcher. He on Complex. And I think they're supposed to be doing a show or something. I don't know. It just like came up in my head. Because I was looking at Instagram this morning and I had re-seen it. I had re-saw it. And I was just like, yeah, let's go. Black people, number one. But y'all already know how I am. I'm not saying that any other race don't be doing them, but you know when you're your own race and you just want to support your people, because just like, people do not blow up overnight. People think they do because they only seen when they started blossoming. They never seen when they was just a little seed. And I really like that. I'm almost full. Like those two patties. Y'all, look at this scar. I know I'm not done. Sprite. I know some people like burping. I just feel like it's just whatever type of channel that you're watching. I have to finish this, y'all. It's so good. I had Wingstop last night. I had that blueberry. I had that blueberry lemonade. Minute Maid? It's nasty. You don't want it. You don't want that. These glasses are annoying. Yeah. I don't know what that is. McDonald's. All right now. What you trying to do? No, it's not. Down below, y'all need to start telling me some places to eat from because I want to like be able to eat some new things. But from me being at the top of the boot, it's hard because there's not that many food choices to pick from. I had the Zaxby's, the Canes, the McDonald's, but you know, like KFC or like a certain type of wing, or I might go to like Jimmy John's or something. I just don't know. But guys, that was my video for today. And we're gonna finish it off with some Sprite. Bye guys, see you later.